Welcome to this short micro-learning on Gantt charts, designed for quick practical learning you can use right away. In the next few minutes we'll explain what Gantt charts do, why they matter for projects, and how to build and maintain one so your team stays aligned and your timeline stays real. This deck covers 6 focused topics to get you from basics to practice. Why Gantt charts matter, how to build your first chart, how to read and control your timeline, some advanced techniques, common pitfalls to avoid, and practical next steps so you can apply these ideas immediately. First, let's talk about why Gantt charts matter. At their core, they give teams a visual timeline that turns vague plans into a clear sequence of work, helping stakeholders understand scope, ownership, and milestones so everyone knows who does what and when the project should finish. Gantt charts act as a universal scheduling language, translating complex scope and dependencies into simple bars and milestones so teams stay aligned. They prevent misalignment by offering a clear visual overview, and they surface risks early by revealing dependencies and bottlenecks before those issues derail progress. Gantt charts have a long history, starting with Henry Gantt's early 1900s shipyard boards and evolving into flexible digital tools today. Each era kept the same bar and milestone logic but added adaptability, making Gantt charts useful across traditional waterfall, agile, and hybrid delivery models. Now we'll move into building your first Gantt chart, focusing on practical steps, breaking work down, setting durations, arranging dependencies, choosing tools, and entering data in a disciplined way so your timeline is realistic and useful from day one. Start by decomposing scope into manageable tasks, breaking deliverables into clear work packages you can estimate and assign. Make each task an assignable outcome rather than a vague activity, estimate durations realistically, and watch out for overly complex rows or underestimated effort that make the chart useless. When arranging tasks, think sequence first, identify dependencies like finish to start or start to start, and set realistic durations based on effort and resources. The image on the slide is a reminder that while plans can look smooth from a distance, foggy dependencies can hide delays unless you order work logically. Choosing the right tool and entering clean data are critical. Compare tools for ease of use and collaboration, then enter essential fields like task name, start and finish dates, predecessors, owner, and percent complete. Maintain discipline in updates so the chart stays a dependable source of truth. Next, we'll look at reading and controlling the timeline so you can keep delivery on track and intervene when needed rather than reacting to surprises after they happen. A key skill is spotting the critical path and monitoring slack. The critical path shows the longest chain of tasks that determines the finish date, so delays there move the end date. Watch slack and negative float to know when you must resequence, add resources, or replan to protect milestones. Track progress by saving a baseline at the start, entering actual start and finish dates regularly, and using visual indicators like shaded bars or traffic light status. Baselines and clear visuals make variance obvious and enable data-driven decisions during reviews so corrective actions are timely and targeted. When plans change, replan without causing chaos by using drag-and-drop rescheduling, splitting tasks, and adding change request rows. Make adjustments in the Gantt with care and document reasons for changes so the chart stays credible and your stakeholders understand the rationale behind schedule shifts. Now let's explore some advanced techniques that help manage complexity across people and multiple projects, keeping schedules realistic while protecting key milestones. To handle resource constraints, assign named resources and review heat maps to spot overallocations. Use automatic leveling to nudge non-critical tasks and resolve conflicts, while manually fine-tuning allocations to maintain momentum and ensure optimal use of available skills and time. For organizations running multiple initiatives, link individual project files into a master Gantt to create a portfolio dashboard. Roll up key milestones for executive visibility and customize views by color-coding or filtering so PMOs, finance, and customers each get the tailored insights they need. Before wrapping up, it's important to avoid common Gantt pitfalls that turn useful charts into misleading artifacts and cause bad decisions downstream. Avoid excessive detail that clutters the view and focus on essential tasks and milestones. Update progress regularly so the chart reflects reality. Account for calendar exceptions like holidays to avoid misleading finish dates, and treat the chart as a living model, not an unchangeable contract. Finally, let's talk about next steps so you can apply what you've learned and improve over time with low risk and measurable learning. Start with a small pilot project to gain hands-on experience with Gantt practices and tools. Schedule regular retrospectives to refine how you estimate and update data, introduce advanced features gradually, and use feedback loops to improve accuracy and team adoption. If you found this useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more microlearning on practical project techniques. Sharing this video helps others learn how to plan better and deliver on time with confidence.